Hey guys, welcome to this video. This is my first What I Eat in a Week, so I'm recording from I'm recording from Sunday to Saturday, so it's all 7 days, and this isn't like what I eat every day. This isn't what you have to eat. This is just what I ate that 1 week, so take everything with a grain of salt. And for the first few days, I don't think I showed it, but I did have Christmas candy from my stocking, so just keep that in mind. I'm not a perfect eater. I eat balanced. So with that said, I hope you enjoy this video and can get some meal inspiration. Day 1, Sunday, for breakfast, I had a cinnamon roll. We were supposed to have them on Christmas, but we ended up not, so I just had it on Sunday. And then I was still hungry, so I had like a little sandwich with tofu, vegan bacon, avocado. For dinner, I had this salad, and then the ingredients will be on the screen. There they are: macaroni, barbecue sauce, lettuce, and a vegan fish fillet or something. I can't remember if there was more. And then for dinner, I had this vegan ham and cheese sandwich with a baby cucumber. The next day, Monday, for breakfast, I had another cinnamon roll because we had some extra left over, and then I had it with a banana and a vegan breakfast sausage and matcha. And then my mom made this vegan chickpea tuna, and I had extra avocado, it had cucumber, and then this hot chocolate snowman, which didn't actually have any hot chocolate powder in it. It was just marshmallows and chocolate chips, so I ended up having to add my own, which was a bit annoying. And then I had banana toast on these thin bagels. The next day for breakfast, I'm kind of addicted to the sandwich: vegan cheese, bacon, avocado, don't mind my toothbrush. And then I just added a cutie orange to it. The next day, I started off with this cornbread, which wasn't a good idea, made my stomach hurt. Same sandwich, except this time I think I added a slice of ham. Then my mom brought home this Kringle for us to sample, and that's a salad I made. Today I made avocado toast because I didn't feel like having an exceptionally complicated breakfast. And then I just have an apple with chunky peanut butter. So that's my breakfast. It's New Year's. Happy New Year's. I forgot to record what else I ate that day, but I had this cookie thing, and then we had Uno's pizza to celebrate the new year. I started off with banana toast with cinnamon peanut butter and avocado toast, and then that's just some vegan chicken and broccoli and some sparkling juice from New Year's. And then I had these mini bagels. I only had one, but the serving size is 3. I just wasn't super hungry that morning, and I had it with a banana. And then later on, I made the same sandwich with avocado and vegan bacon and vegan cheese. But this time I put ketchup on it, which is what I always used to do with my bacon sandwiches when I was younger. And don't knock it till you try it. It tastes really good. I don't know if this is a common thing or not. It's just what I do. Later, I had hot chocolate, and then I also had a cookie that I made also on New Year's, I think. And this wasn't the best day, but it's fine. And then I had this tomato soup my mom made, and then 4 saltine crackers, and I also had Rice Krispie treats.